Hi everyone. Today we are going to study the 4 basic tongues and the neutral tongue in Standard Chinese. Then we are going to explain why tongues is an important feature in Chinese. Different from English, Chinese is a tonal language. Based on tongue pitch, the basic tongues in Standard Chinese can be classified into 4 types: high-level tongue, high-rising tongue, fall-rise tongue, and high-falling tongue. However, we often call them as the first tongue, second tongue, third tongue, and fourth tongue. This figure illustrates the tongue pitch for each of the 4 tongues and the neutral, i.e., 0 tongues. Let's divide one's natural comfortable voice range into 5 levels. These 5 levels actually indicate different sound frequencies and frequency variations, but it's not as obvious as what we do in singing sounds. For the first tongue, the tongue pitch starts from 5 and keeps at this level until it finishes. Ah. The second tongue initially starts at 3 and gradually rises to 5. Ah. It's like you are confused about something. Ah. The third tongue starts from 2 and drops to 1, then rises up to 4. Ah. The fourth tongue starts at 5 and drops down to 1. Ah. The tongue marks are as shown in the figure. Now repeat them again after me. Ah. 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 In the Comprehensive Chinese Character Dictionary, there are 54,678 Chinese characters in total, but these characters are represented by only 440 syllables. That means there are many homophones in Chinese. The introduction of the 4 tongues into the Chinese syllables greatly eliminates the confusion caused by homophones. A change in tongue in spoken syllable will bring about a change in the meaning denoted by that syllables. Let's look at this example. Ma with the first tongue means mother. Ma with the second tongue means linen. Ma with the third tongue means house. Ma with the fourth tongue means to scold. In written Chinese, such confusion is impossible, since virtually all characters with the same pronunciation are represented with different written forms. Besides the 4 tongues, there is a neutral tongue in Chinese. It occurs when a sound loses its inherent tongue due to the influence of the surrounding syllables. In this case, it will no longer be pronounced with its original tongue pitch. Rather, only part of the inherent tongue is retained, which makes the sound of the syllable much weaker and the tongue pitch much shorter than that of the original. For example, ma ma. The first ma is in first tongue. The second ma is in the neutral tongue. Ma ma 妈妈 Due to the influence of the first ma, the pronunciation of the second ma has been altered. However, the neutral tongue is a very rare phenomenon in spoken Chinese. For now, we only want to give you a rough idea about the neutral tongue. We will discuss this in detail in Lesson 10. Now let's come to the part of the exercise. These are 6 simple vowels marked with 4 tones. I'll give you 40 seconds to try to pronounce them. Okay, please read them after me. A, 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 我，我，我，我，鹅，鹅，鳄，一，乙，乙，一，乌，无，五，物，鱼，鱼，雨，玉。That's all for lesson 5. Next lesson, we will start to learn compound vowels. Bye.